Are you ready to take your 3D modeling and animation skills to the next level? Then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into not one but two amazing Blender add-ons that will add to your creative process. Welcome to the world of realism inside Blender. In this video, we'll introduce you to these incredible tools and show you how they can turn your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about Real Damage, the ultimate geometry transformation add-on that takes your 3D models to a whole new level. With Real Damage, you can create realistic destruction and damage effects with ease. Whether you want to simulate structural damage in architectural designs or add a weathered look to your 3D models, Real Damage has got you covered. You have full control over the depth, scale, and roughness of the destruction. Plus, you can even add reinforcement grids for added realism. And the best part? Real Damage automatically generates procedural materials for concrete and steel, making your project look even more authentic. You can also replace them with your own materials for that extra personal touch. With Real Damage, you can create a wide range of destruction, from subtle wear and tear to massive devastation. It's the ideal tool for architects, game developers, and 3D artists who want to add that extra level of realism to their work. But that's not all. Now, let's shift our focus to wear and tear, another fantastic Blender add-on that brings lifelike wear and tear effects to your 3D creations. Whether you're aiming for a stylized look or ultra-realistic surface damage, wear and tear gives you the power to create stunning visual effects on your 3D models. You can choose between high poly and low poly damage, add edge damage, cavities, and so much more. It's like having an artist toolkit at your fingertips. Plus, wear and tear seamlessly integrates with other plugins like Sketch and Carve Core and Sketch and Simulate SE, allowing you to expand your creative horizons. And if you ever want to restore your model to its original state, you can do so as many times as needed. Wear and tear lets you experiment freely, and the results are stunning. Now, here's the exciting part. Imagine the possibilities when you combine Real Damage and wear and tear in your 3D projects. With Real Damage, you can create the perfect structural damage or weathering, and then wear and tear adds that extra layer of realism with its detailed surface effects. Together, they take your creations to new heights. So, there you have it, the incredible world of Real Damage and wear and tear. These add-ons are your ticket to elevating your 3D projects and creating masterpieces that will leave your audience in awe. Whether you're an architect, game developer, or a 3D artist, these add-ons are the tools you need to make your creations stand out. So, don't miss out. Ready to unlock your creativity and transform your 3D world? Click the link in the description to get your hands on Real Damage and wear and tear now. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators. Stay tuned for more amazing content and keep those creative juices flowing.